In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the nylon female and male spade connector kit. Check this out. This is a 200-piece kit, and it's from the company AIRIC, maybe is how you would say that. And it uses the gauge wire will be 22 to 16, 16 to 14, and 12 to 10. And they are color coded, by the way. You got 40 male and 40 female in each one of these, but we'll just open them up here and let's see what all we get. They came in this little package right here. So you see on top right there, it just kind of like breaks down what each one is. And open it up, it gives you a good breakdown of how to use these things. I have a little wire right here, and I'm just going to show you guys exactly how this works. So we'll go ahead, cut this wire. You're going to cut that, and this is 16 gauge wire maybe. 16 gauge is the blue, so we'll get the blue right here. This is the blue female, and you can see because it's the opening like that, we'll slide that down on there like so. And then we have a crimper right here, and you see how it says it's blue. So that crimper works just like that. So now that's crimped onto there. And then we'll go on the other side. And I'm just going to show you on one of these. You know what? If you've ever used these spade connectors, you'll know exactly what they are. There's the male side of the spade connector. Slide it on. And you see, if you got a pair of these pliers, these have them color coded on there also. Now we've got a wire that we've added the female on that side, the male on that side. And let me just kind of like show you how these things work. So obviously, I'm just showing you on this, but what you'd do, you'd have a connector where you would connect this to a battery terminal or something like that, and it just runs just like this. Pops into place. So you see how nice and neat that connector is. You'd use this on like battery connectors if you're putting maybe some sort of wiring kit together. That's why I got it, was mostly for a kit of if I'm wiring up some batteries or something like that. And I wanted to have a good variety of all the different ones on there. So yeah, this is something I'm going to be using amongst my, my little kits and working on projects and things like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the 200-piece, spade connector kit. See you all in the next video.